This is a human heart. It is called a pumping organ. So here it is present in the chest region. So below the ribs, in the left side of the human body. So it is the size of a fist. So this human heart having four different chambers. So this the left side they are called right atrium and right ventricle. On this side we are called on the right side it is called a left atrium and left ventricle. This the biggest part it is called aorta, and these are called pulmonary artery and pulmonary veins. This is called superior vena cava and it is called inferior vena cava. Here in the heart the blood is flowing. At a time there is a deoxygenated, means the carbon dioxide containing blood, and oxygenated means more oxygen containing blood. So they are moving at a time in the heart. First, how the deoxygenated blood is moving in the heart, first we see. So here we having a superior vena cava. So superior means upper part of the heart. So it is present in the chest region above the head and other parts. The deoxygenated blood means carbon dioxide containing blood, they will come to the right part, right atrium. Then below the heart it is called a inferior vena cava. So inferior vena cava, below the heart, the leg and other parts through which the deoxygenated blood it also come to the right atrium. From right atrium, so here also we can see right atrium, it will come to the next part, right ventricle. So after the right ventricle the blood will move to the lungs through pulmonary artery. So in the lungs we are taking the oxygen through respiration. That oxygen will be exchanged with the carbon dioxide in the blood. It will go outside, the oxygen will be come inside, that is called oxygenated blood. That again through the pulmonary veins it will come to the left atrium. So here we can see the left atrium. From left atrium it will come to the left ventricle. From left ventricle the oxygenated blood it will go to the through aorta to all the parts of the body. So it will at a time it's happening. So this deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood they come and they will go, it is happening at a time. So in between the right atrium and right ventricle we having the wall called tricuspid walls. In between the left atrium, left ventricle we having the bicuspid wall. These walls are they are help to move the blood in one side. So they are not allowing the backflow of the blood. So when they're opening and closing, that time we having the beats, that's called heart beats. So in aorta also we having the walls. So once the blood is moving, so it will move, it is not come back, it prevent the backflow of the blood. So as they are moving, so there is a opening and closing of the walls, there is a sound will come, that we called a heartbeat. So like this the blood will move at a time. This is called a double circulation, because the blood will deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood they will move the two times in the heart. So that is called a double circulation in a human body.